Chapter 31: How to Create and Sell Digital Art on NFT Marketplaces. Over the last few years, the art world has experienced a true revolution. Artists have emerged who create masterpieces without brushes, canvas, or even drawing skills. Artificial intelligence has opened the doors to the world of creativity for everyone, transforming ideas into stunning visual images in a matter of seconds. On the wave of this revolution, the NFT, non-fungible token market grew, which made it possible to monetize digital art. This chapter will show you how to turn your ideas into unique works of art and then sell them on NFT marketplaces. Intelligent technologies and NFTs are a perfect match. Uniqueness. Each work created with a neural network is unique. Even when using the same prompt, the result will be different. Speed of creation. You can create an entire collection of works in one day, not a year. This allows you to constantly add to your collection and maintain your audience's interest. No barriers. You don't have to be a professional artist. All you need is creative thinking and the ability to write the right prompts. Tools for creating art AI. To get started, you only need two types of tools. First, image generators. These are neural networks that turn text into an image. The most popular are Midjourney, focused on artistic quality, and Leonardo AI, which allows you to customize style and detail. Second, NFT marketplaces. These are online marketplaces where you can sell your work. The most well-known are OpenSea and Foundation. For your art to be valuable, it must be more than just beautiful. It must have an idea, a concept, and a story behind it. This is what makes your work unique and attractive to collectors. Step 1. Creating a collection concept. Instead of generating random images, create a collection united by one theme. For example, the city of the future, mechanical animals, or portraits from space. Prompt. You are an artist and a writer. Come up and describe a concept for an AI art collection on the theme of fairy tales of the modern world. The collection should include 10 works, each of which is a reinterpretation of a famous fairy tale in a modern setting. For example, Cinderella in a cyberpunk world. Come up with a name for the collection and describe each work. Step 2. Generating images. Once you have a concept, you can use prompts to generate images. Be creative and detail your requests. Prompt. Draw Cinderella in a cyberpunk world. She stands against the backdrop of a shimmering neon metropolis. Her dress is made of iridescent materials and microchips, and her glass slipper is a hologram. Style: photorealism. Step 3. Humanizing AI art. For your art to be truly valuable, it must contain your idea, your vision, and your personal contribution. Algorithms are a tool, but you are the one who turns the image into a work of art. Create a story. Write a story for each work. Tell why you reinterpreted the fairy tale in this way. This will create an emotional connection with a future collector. But a created collection is not yet the final result. For it to become valuable, it must be properly presented and sold, and this is where you need a clear strategy. First, preparation for sale. Before you put your art up for sale, you need to register it on the blockchain to confirm your ownership. This is the process of turning a digital file into a unique, inchangeable asset on the blockchain. For this, you will need a crypto wallet. Install a wallet such as MetaMask and add cryptocurrency to it, e.g. ETH or SOL, to pay the registration fee. An NFT marketplace. Choose a suitable platform such as OpenSea, the most popular, runs on Ethereum, or Magic Eden for the Solana blockchain. Second, marketing and promotion. NFTs don't sell themselves. To find buyers, you need to build a community. Social networks. Use Twitter and Discord to communicate with potential collectors. Share the creation process, tell the stories of your works, and answer questions. Blog. Create a blog where you will talk about your concept and publish articles that will lead a new audience to you. Third, pricing. The price is an important factor. Start with affordable prices to attract the first buyers and build a community. Gradually, as your popularity grows, you can increase the price for rarer works. Risks and conclusions. Investing in NFT art is a high-risk process, and it's important to understand that. The market is very volatile, and there are no guarantees that your work will be sold. But if you approach this process strategically with a unique idea and quality execution, you have every chance to turn your creativity into income. Technology has put a powerful tool in your hands, but only you can turn it into something unique and valuable.